life is very up and down. As I found out, I was actually diagnosed with cancer, and I underwent 2 years, or just under 2 years, of chemotherapy. The first 6 months, the chemotherapy was at quite a low level, as the doctors recognised that I was very young. I was only 24, 25, and they wanted to try and keep my fertility. However, after 6 months, the lump wasn't shrinking, the cancer wasn't going at all, and the doctors said that I would have to have the dose upped for the chemotherapy, and the risk was that I would then become infertile. During the next sort of 12 to 18 months, my periods did stop, and I had to change my view. I was very positive, and I needed to get better for my husband and my son. And I realized at that point that I would not have any chance of having any more children. I didn't think this really would have any impact on me. However, when I was given the all clear after the chemo, I then realized that actually I was quite devastated that I wasn't able to give Josh a brother or a sister. However, about 6-8 months later, my periods did start again. My husband and I didn't use any form of contraception, and after 4 years, we still hadn't conceived our second child. I didn't want to go down the IVF route because I didn't feel that after all the chemo I'd had, I wanted to go down that route at that time. I hadn't ruled it out, but it wasn't something that I wanted to do straight away. And so I turned to Lucy and asked if she could help me via acupuncture. We worked together very closely, and I went back to my thoughts of when I really wanted to get better and wanted to beat the cancer, and I really wanted to have a baby, and I really wanted it to happen. So I really changed my mindset to positive, and I believed that I could conceive, and I believed that the treatment that I was having with Lucy, with the acupuncture, would help me to conceive. And I was, it was my birthday, it was the 27th of December, and I remember it really clearly. I said to my husband, I think I'm pregnant, and he just smiled at me, and I asked him for a birthday present, would he go and get me a pregnancy test, which he did. And I did the test, and there was 2 very faint blue lines, to which he didn't think I was pregnant. So he then went out to the shops and bought 2 more tests, both with the same 2 faint lines. And I had been blessed that I was pregnant again. We went to the hospital for a scan, and at that point we were told that we weren't expecting 1 baby, but actually we were expecting twins. A really precious, precious gift that we were given. So I have to say to all of you out there that are trying, please don't give up hope. It can happen. It happened to me not once, not twice, but actually 3 times. I really do feel blessed with my children. I'm very, very lucky to have Josh, Harriet, and Freddie as part of our family. Lucy, I hope that that gives a clear picture of us working together, because it was fantastic, and I have to thank you for all the help and support you gave me over that difficult time.